Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Guys, one thing about Unota ne, Nota baloyi, like yo, Unota uyang stressa guysini. Like akasabi lutho, that guy akasabi lutho sana. He will say what he wants to say and just stand by it. I know we have freedom of speech in South Africa, but that guy is abusing freedom of speech. Like when it comes to him, Nomusa Kawula, I don't know who's worse. I don't know. But Nota Baloyi said something on Twitter that somehow seems like he is suggesting that Peltusi is on some cocaine. So there's a video that was posted by a page on Twitter. The name of the page is called Lavish Living. They just posted a video like Peltusi there, and the caption was that Peltusi shows off her garden. She is not just a DJ, but also, she has a garden. Like she has other things that she is doing outside of being a DJ. And then Nunota shared the video, and the caption was, "Cocaine is just a bad habit then." Like, my brother, what are you implying? And he's not the first one to say this, guys, ne? People have been alleging that something is not okay with Upel Tusi. I remember there were pictures, or yeah, it was pictures that were trending, or I think it was a video, I'm not sure. The video or pictures were trending. Upel Tusi was just wearing a swimsuit, Isana, all naked, and then people were like, this person is too old to be doing this. Something is wrong with Upel Tusi. What is going on in her head? And then people started speculating, yeah, but no man, conte wrong, but no one said exactly what is wrong with her. For Unota to just come forward, Desana, with this and not even say allegedly or saying that he is joking and just saying, Gutinje, cocaine is just a bad habit then. Is he implying that Upel Tusi is doing a bad habit called cocaine? Hell, people are not afraid of getting arrested, Desana. Like, it can never be me. It can never be me, Sana. But Unota has always been brave. He has been saying things about celebrities and just saying it exactly like it is, without even feeling sorry about it. So I ngastinga lesibindi sakhe ngastinga because Sana, I can never be me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment. I will see you on my next video. Bye.